Good afternoon, students.
Good afternoon, sir.
Students, I'm gonna ask you some questions. If you know the answer, you can write down you can write down in the chat box, or you can answer just by unmuting yourself. Okay. So, can you guess what kind of activity is shown in this picture? Pradeep, answer me.
Yes, sir.
What kind of activity
सर
Yes, sir. Answer.
सर ये बच्चे केक बर्थडे सेलिब्रेशन कर रहे हैं, केक काटने जा
Very
रहे
good.
हैं.
Very good. That means it's a birthday celebration. Very good. How many persons are there in this picture?
सर यहाँ 3 बच्चे हैं. There are 3 kids in the picture.
Very good. There are 3 kids or there are 3 childs in this picture. What is the 2 child wearing on their head? What is the 2 childs wearing on their head?
सर बर्थडे वाली कैप.
Very
बर्थडे
good.
कैप सर.
The in among these 3 children, the 2 of them are wearing the birthday cap. Very good. Can you guess the shape of this birthday cap? Samragi, answer.
So the shape of these birthday caps are conical.
Very good. So the shape of these birthday caps is conical. Very good. So today we will discuss about the cone. Okay. So what do you see in the pictures? What do you see in the pictures? Very good, Samragi. These are the batteries. And what is shown in the other one? Bottles. Very good, Samragi. Very good, Pradeep. In the pictures, we are seeing the batteries and the bottles. Okay. What is cylinder? What kind of these pictures have? What kind of a shape these pictures have? Very good, Pradeep. Very good, Samragi. These are the cylindrical shaped. So now answer me, what is cylinder? What is cylinder? Basically, here, what is cylinder? The term here is very good. Very good. There are 2 spheres in the cylinder and you can say a rectangle, but very good effort. So if we talk about a cylinder, that means there is a circle and there is a line. When a line rotates around the circle on its the circumference, it makes a cylinder. You can see it makes a cylinder. Okay. So cone. So a cone is a distinctive 3-dimensional geometric figure that has a flat surface and a curved surface. as you see in this is the flat, this is the curved surface, I mean जो कि ये ऐसे rotate करेगी, and the flat surface is its base. You can see that, isn't it? So a cone is the geometric figure. A cone is a distinctive three-dimensional geometric figure that has a flat surface and a curved surface pointed towards the top. Here it is the top. You can see there. The pointed end of the cone is called the apex or vertex. So here, if we see, there is a written vertex. So the vertex is also called as the apex, whereas the flat surface is called its base. So as I was saying, the base. So it is the flat surface, and this is also called the base. So base iska jo hoga, that is in the shape of the circular ring. That is in the shape of circular. So obvious सी बात है कि ये जो circle होगा, it has a radius, and the cone has itself a height and a slant height. The flat surface has a length, so that length is known as the slant height. Clear? Now, what is the formula for volume of a cylinder? What is the formula for volume of a cylinder?
Sir, pi r square h.
Very good. The formula for the volume of a cylinder is pi r square. है ना? ये pi r square and h. The volume of the cylinder is pi r square h. Since the cylinder consists two circular bases. The cylinder consists two circular bases. So each circular basis has some kind of an area. So the next question is, what is the area of a circle with radius r? If there is a radius r, this is gonna be small r, as I have shown in the picture. There is a small r. So what is the radius? What is the area of the circle with radius r?
Sir, the area of
Very good, Samragi. So the area of the circle is gonna be pi r square. Pi r square. So it is the area of a circle. Very good. Moving to the next. Here you can see that the formula for volume of a cone. The formula for a volume of a cone, what is gonna be? So as we have already seen that a cylinder has the volume like pi r square h. Pi r square h. It is the volume of the cylinder. In the same way, this cone is also gonna be have the volume, because every solid thing has some kind of a volume that occupies some space. That is called the volume. So a cone is having the radius r and height h. There, see, there is a radius r of this cone, and the height is h, and the slant height is l. So in this figure, if a cone has radius r and the height h, so then the volume of the cone will be that volume is equals to 1/3 pi r square h. Are we clear? Now, next. Formula for lateral surface area of a cone. So there is a term, the lateral surface area. What does it mean by lateral surface? That means the curved surface. The word lateral means curved. The word lateral means the curved surface area. So the curved surface area, for as we know that the curved surface area of a cylinder is gonna be 2 pi r h. 2 pi r h. So it has the curved portion here. it is. Okay, so the curved surface area of this cone is gonna be pi into r into L. So the curved surface area of this cone is gonna be pi RL. Okay. Moving to the next. So there is a formula for total surface area of the cone. The total surface area of the cone. So as we have previously discussed, the curved surface area or the lateral surface area of the cone, now we are going to discuss about the total surface area of the cone. So total surface area, as we know that a cube, you can consider a cube, a roughly figure, we can draw the cube of the cube actually. So if we talk about the total surface area of the cube is gonna be the area of these all 6 walls. Number 1, number 2, number 3, and the front one number 4, and the left one is number 5, and the floor is gonna be number 6. So there are 6 surfaces in this cube. So that means if we're going to find out the total surface area of the cube, that is gonna be the total surface area of these all 6 squares. So in the same way, if we find the total surface area of this cone, then we have to add the area of all its surfaces. It has basically 2 surfaces. Number 1, the curved surface. As we know already, you have already seen in your houses like the cone shaped things that are like birthday cap. So it has basically 2 surfaces, the curved surface and the base, which is gonna be the flat surface. And this base is in the shape of a circular disc actually. Okay, it is in the shape of a circular disc. So its area is gonna be pi r square. So the area of this base is gonna be pi r square. Now, and we have already discussed that the curved surface area of the cone is pi r and L. So the total surface area, as we know, the total surface area in the cube is the summation of all the area of the surfaces. In the same way, the summation of all the surfaces area of in this cone. So there are 2 surfaces, this one and this one. So we are going to add them. So as we whenever we add, it's gonna be pi r square plus pi r and L. So there are 2 common terms, pi and r in both the terms. And if we will take the common as a pi r, so we will left in the box that is L plus r. So now the total surface area of a cone is gonna be pi r into the bracket L plus r, where S is the total surface area, r is the radius of this cone, and L is the slant height, as I have shown to you. Are we clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, next. If you consider this example, let us solve some examples. See, the question is, if a cone has the height 21 centimeter with the base radius 6 centimeter, then we have to find out the volume of this cone. Since we know that the volume of the cone is 1 upon 3 pi r square h. So what we have? See, the question is saying if a cone has the height 21 centimeter, that means the value of the h is equals to 21 centimeter, isn't it? So there is, if we draw a cone roughly, so it is gonna be height that is 21 and the radius is 6 centimeter. So if we solve, there it is, the radius is gonna be 6 centimeter, isn't it? So the volume of the cone is equals to 1 upon 3 The value of the pi is 22 upon 7. Now putting the value of r, that is r square, that means 6 into 6 multiplied by h, and the value of the h is 21. So here it is 21. Now after cancellation, see 7 was 7, 7 3s are 27, and now these 3 and these 3 are gonna be cut. Okay, so now what we have got, after multiplication, 6 2s are 12, carry 1, 6 2s are 12 and 1 13, 132, but we left 1 6 more. So now again we are going to multiply the 6 2s are 12, carry 1, 6 3s are 18, 1 19, carry again 1, 6 1s are 6 and 1 7. So now the resultant volume is going to be 792 centimeter cubes. So as we see, the given question was, if a cone has the height of 21 centimeter with the base radius 6 centimeter, then find the volume of this cone. So we have solved this problem, as the answer is 792 centimeter cube. So the volume of the cube is going to be 792 centimeter cube. Are we clear? Okay, so now next. I'm going to ask you some questions. If you know the answer, write down in the chat box, or you can unmute yourself and answer the question. Okay. So what is a cone? Pradeep, tell me.
Cone is a three-dimensional figure which has a flat surface, curved body, and apex vertex.
Very good. So basically, a cone is a distinctive three-dimensional geometric figure that has a flat surface and a curved surface pointed towards the top. That is called the cone. The pointed end of the cone is called the apex, that we also known as the vertex, whereas the flat surface of the cone is called the base. Okay. So what is the formula for volume of a cone?
Sir, 1/3 pi r square h.
Very good. The formula for volume of the cone, if it having radius r and the height h and the slant height l, then the volume of the cone will be 1/3 pi r square h. What is the formula of the lateral surface area? Samragi, answer.
So the volume of the cone for the lateral surface area is pi RL.
Very good. So the lateral or curved surface area of a cone is gonna be pi into r into l. Here it is. The curved surface area is equals to pi RL. So now I'm going to give you some homework, that you have to list out the things that are, you have to list out the things in your house that are in the shape of the cone. Okay. Thank you, class.